非常感谢云华的分析。以上就是今天的中国银行国际汇市报道，明天再见。
再见。
好，以上观点只代表个人和机构意见，仅供参考。我们接下来进入今天的财经科技资讯。
积攒经验，持之以恒。中国银行继续收听。
财经方面，我们来关注一下美国总统特朗普7号停火2周，前提是伊朗同意全面、立即且安全的。
2月发起之后，2月并不完全中断，由于原油价格从的没有是上方，
受到美国和伊朗有的纽约
Almost there. Almost calibrated. Rewind. It's good. Thank you. Let's see if I can get you a little bit louder. It's good. Nice job on your part. That was very quick. You cut on very quickly. Thank you for that. I appreciate your cooperation with this experiment. You've done so well. All of you have, really. Bring the volume back down.
中火消息发布之后，原油软，油价下跌支撑大上涨，美联储可能靠接受。
All of you have done exceptionally well, and I just want to say I appreciate it. This is something new. Let me pause this for 1 second. What I like about it is that you're just taking the smallest fragments. Very impressive. Thank you. Reset. Let me ask you this. Do you have any questions of me? Rather than me asking you a question, you ask me a question. I've been doing this a long time, so I can tell you about any experience you could probably imagine. Rewind. With an angel. Bring that down some more. It sounds like you're saying something about being with an angel. Whatever my disposition is, I'm more than willing to share what I know with you. What would you like to know? Rewind. Rewind again. I keep thinking I hear something. Continue on. Reset.
线上线下的品牌与路途等都应该标准。
I'm doing great. How are you
郑
doing?
于成东也是爱说也。线下的品牌与
Is that the
路途
question you
等
have
都
for
应该
me?
给高级感标准。郑于成东也是爱说也。
Do you know what happened to me today?
是
Do you know about my little accident? Yes, that you got it. That's exactly what happened. Family, are you around? Were you looking after me when I had my little accident today?
和营销据说在消费升级和竞争白热化这种
Rewind.
工业科技很快
Correct.
据说在消费升级和竞争白热化代理
It happened
审
outside,
美短板
and I didn't feel a
对他的
thing.
品牌来讲是一个好事儿，但是就是希望他把他的态度和控制一下。
I'm fine.
我能想到，大家又开始把雍正和乾隆
Rewind.
来讲是一个好事儿，但是就是希望他把他的态度和控制一下。
我就很纳闷啊，我能想到，大家又开始把雍正和乾
I
隆
hear that.
说事儿了。
对，一个是农家乐，
Rewind again.
态度和控制一下。
我就很纳闷啊，我能想到，大家又开始把雍正和乾隆
Yeah.
说事儿了。
对，一个是农家乐审美。
Mel, are you telling me that you were aware of what happened to Daddy today?
大红大紫大绿的，哎，我想问于总，就是这些设计。
Reset.
人绕月飞行测试任务中的被发现存在隐患，我的
I have to keep compensating for the pitch and the volume
二推
from this radio stream.
更缓。收集隔热罩表面数据任务等关键目标。我们学物理的时候都知道，音速是每秒300